Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak English with confidence, step by step, every single day. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt stuck when speaking English? You know many words, you studied grammar, you passed exams, but when you try to speak, you feel slow. You translate in your head, you search for words, and sometimes you even stay quiet because you are afraid of making mistakes. Does this sound like you? If yes, you are not alone. Millions of learners reach the intermediate level and then they stop growing. They understand a lot, but speaking feels heavy, slow, and stressful. Many students say, I can read, I can listen, but I cannot speak fast. That is why I made this lesson. Today we will unlock 10 English fluency hacks intermediates wish they knew. These are the little secrets that can change everything for you. If you learn these hacks and practice them daily, your English will not only improve, it will feel easy, fast, and natural. In this podcast lesson, I guide you slowly. I will give you clear explanations, real-life examples, and shadowing practice. That means you repeat with me. First slow, then normal, then natural. You will practice rhythm, emotion, and pronunciation. Each tip will also give you a mini challenge you can try in your daily life. Remember, this is not textbook English. This is real-life English. The words you will repeat are the same words native speakers use every day, in shops, at work, with friends, on the phone, everywhere. So listen carefully. Repeat with me. Feel the rhythm. Speak with emotion. And by the end of this lesson, you will have 10 new hacks that make you sound more natural and feel more confident. But before we start, don't forget, click subscribe and join our community. We are here to help you grow, day by day, with slow listening and shadowing practice. And please, leave a comment under this video. Your comments help us build a family of learners. Here's your first comment challenge. Write in the comments, I will stop translating today. Are you ready? Let's start with hack number 1. Hack 1. Think in chunks, not words. One big mistake learners make is trying to translate word by word. This makes your brain slow. Instead, you must think in chunks, small groups of words that go together. For example, how are you is one chunk. Nice to meet you is one chunk. Can I help you is one chunk. When you think in chunks, you don't translate, you just say the group. This makes you faster and more natural. Real-life context. Imagine you meet a new friend. If you think word by word, you may say, it is nice to meet you. Very slow. But if you learn it as a chunk, nice to meet you, it comes out fast, with no stress. Example sentences. Nice to meet you. Can I help you? See you later. Shadowing practice. Slow, repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Normal, say with me. Nice to meet you. Natural, say it again naturally. Nice to meet you. Pronunciation tip. Connect the sounds. Don't say meet you, say meet you. Feel the flow. Mini challenge. Choose 5 chunks today. Write them. Repeat them 10 times each. Use at least one chunk in a real conversation. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will think in chunks today. Hack 2. Use filler phrases instead of silence. When you don't know what to say, do you stay silent? Many learners do, but silence makes you nervous. Instead, use filler phrases. These are short, natural expressions that give you time to think. Examples. Let me see. Well, you know, that's a good question. Real-life context. Someone asks you, what do you like to do on weekends? You don't know the answer. Instead of staying quiet, say, well, I usually watch movies. This sounds natural. Example sentences. Well, I'm not sure. Let me think. That's a good question. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Well, I'm not sure. Normal. Say with me. Well, I'm not sure. Natural. Say it again naturally. Well, I'm not sure. Pronunciation tip. Say well with a soft rising tone. Smile when you say it. It makes you sound friendly. Mini challenge. Next time you don't know what to say, don't stay silent. Use one filler phrase. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will use fillers today. Hack 3. Reduce words like a native. Native speakers often reduce words. They say them faster and shorter. This is why English sounds difficult. But if you learn reductions, you will understand better and sound more natural. Examples. Want to. Wanna, going to, gonna, got you, gotcha. Real-life context. Your friend says, I'm gonna call you later. If you only know going to, you may feel lost. But if you know gonna, you understand fast, and you can use it too. Example sentences. I'm gonna eat now. Do you wanna go out? I gotcha. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. I am going to eat now. Normal. Say with me. I'm gonna eat now. Natural. Say it again naturally. I'm gonna eat now. Pronunciation tip. Reductions are not wrong English. They are real English. Use them when speaking casually. Mini challenge. Choose one reduction. Use it in 3 sentences today. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I'm gonna practice reductions. Hack 4. Use short answers like a native. Intermediate learners often give long answers, but natives use short answers. They are fast, natural, and friendly. Examples. Do you like coffee? Yeah, I do. Are you ready? Yep. Can you help me? Sure. Real-life context. At work, someone asks, are you ready for the meeting? Instead of saying, yes, I am ready for the meeting, just say, yep. It's faster and more natural. Example sentences. Yep, sure. Yeah, I do. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. Yes, I am ready. Normal. Say with me. Yep. Natural. Say it again naturally. Yep. Pronunciation tip. Use rising intonation for friendly answers. Sure, with a smile sounds very natural. Mini challenge. Answer 5 questions today with short answers. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, yep, I'll use short answers. Hack 5. Copy the rhythm of English. English is not just words, it has music, stress, rhythm, and melody. If you copy this rhythm, you sound more fluent. Example, I don't know. Stress is on don't. Say it like music, I don't know. Real-life context. Imagine your friend asks, "Do you know the answer?" Say, "I don't know." With rhythm, you sound natural. Example sentences: I don't know. What do you mean? I can't believe it. Shadowing practice. Slow, repeat after me. I don't know. Normal. Say with me. I don't know. Natural. Say it again naturally. I don't know. Pronunciation tip. Stress the important word. Let the other words fall soft. Mini challenge. Listen to a native speaker. Copy the rhythm, not just the words. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will practice rhythm today." Hack 6. Speak with emotion. Many learners sound flat, but English needs emotion. When you use feelings, you sound alive, not robotic. Examples: wow, that's amazing. No way. Real life context. Your friend tells you, "I passed my exam." If you say, "That is good," you sound flat. If you say, "That's amazing" with energy, you sound real. Example sentences: wow, that's amazing. No way. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. That's amazing. Normal. Say with me. That's amazing. Natural. Say it again with emotion. That's amazing. Pronunciation tip. Smile when you say amazing. Your voice becomes warmer. Mini challenge. Add emotion to at least 3 sentences today. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will speak with emotion today." Hack 7. Shadow daily for 5 minutes. Fluency comes from daily practice, not big study once a week. Shadowing for 5 minutes every day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Real life context. In the morning, listen to this podcast. Repeat with me. Just 5 minutes. Your brain will start thinking in English. Example sentences: I can do this. Every day, I get better. English is part of my life. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. I can do this. Normal. Say with me. I can do this. Natural. Say it again with energy. I can do this. Pronunciation tip. Use strong stress on positive words like can and better. Mini challenge. Shadow English for 5 minutes today. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will shadow for 5 minutes today." Hack 8. Use questions to keep talking. When conversations stop, ask a question. Questions keep the talk alive. Examples: really? What about you? How come? Real life context. Your friend says, "I like pizza." Instead of just saying, "Me too," ask, "Really? What's your favorite topping?" Conversation continues. Example sentences: really? What about you? How come? Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. What about you? Normal. Say with me. What about you? Natural. Say it again naturally. What about you? Pronunciation tip. Make questions with rising intonation. It shows interest. Mini challenge. Ask at least 3 questions in conversations today. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will ask more questions." Fact 9. Tell micro stories. Don't just answer. Tell a tiny story. Stories are interesting and natural. Example: Q. How was your weekend? A. Good. I watched a movie. Boring. Better. Good. I watched a movie with my friend. We laughed a lot. Real life context. At work. Small stories make you friendly and natural. Example sentences. I went shopping yesterday. I cooked pasta with my mom. We laughed a lot. Shadowing practice. Slow, repeat after me. I went shopping yesterday. Normal. Say with me. I went shopping yesterday. Natural. Say it again with emotion. I went shopping yesterday. Pronunciation tip. Add pauses to make stories clear. Mini challenge. Share one mini story with someone today. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I will tell a mini story today. Hack 10. Believe you are a speaker. The final hack is about your mindset. Many learners think, I am not good enough. But fluency starts when you believe, I am an English speaker. Real-life context. Imagine you go to a cafe. Don't think, I am just practicing. Think, I am a speaker. This confidence changes everything. Example sentences. I am an English speaker. I can do this. I believe in myself. Shadowing practice. Slow. Repeat after me. I am an English speaker. Normal. Say with me. I am an English speaker. Natural. Say it again with confidence. I'm an English speaker. Pronunciation tip. Use strong stress on am and English. Say it with power. Mini challenge. Say I am an English speaker 3 times every morning. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, I am an English speaker. Conclusion. Today you learned 10 fluency hacks intermediates wish they knew. Let's review them quickly. 1. Think in chunks, not words. 2. Use filler phrases instead of silence. 3. Reduce words like a native. 4. Use short answers. 5. Copy the rhythm of English. 6. Speak with emotion. 7. Shadow daily for 5 minutes. 8. Use questions to keep talking. 9. Tell micro stories. 10. Believe you are a speaker. Remember, fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. It's about using simple English naturally every day. If you apply these hacks daily, step by step, you will speak faster, with confidence, and without stress. So here's my challenge for you. Choose one hack today. Practice it. Write it in the comments. Tomorrow, choose another. In 10 days, you will practice all 10. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel for more slow listening and shadowing lessons. Together, we will make English part of your daily life. Now your final comment challenge. Write in the comments, I will think in English 24/7. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Keep believing. And remember, you are already an English speaker. See you in the next lesson.